In this video, I wanted to show you my point of view experience of the first time I used my car as a hide for bird photography. Let's set up the camera first. I'm in my car and I've got a whole bunch of birds around me, few small ones, and I'm sure you can see the herons and the egret sitting right there. They're just a few feet, maybe 20 feet away from me. This is very close. Due to the limited focal length, most of these photos are heavily cropped. I mean, this is probably the closest any bird would let you come.